Join 2017 has been amazing so far. It's crazy to see how much it's grown in the last year.
It's been pretty easy to make the case for engineers that work with the King to come all the way over to San Francisco from London and Barcelona and Stockholm.
Coming to conferences like Join is really great because it gives you that kind of group of peers that you can really learn from, and you find that all of a sudden you're surrounded by people who not only are fighting the same battles you're trying to fight, but also speak the same type of language.
The BuzzFeed one I thought was amazing. I feel like he articulated a lot of points that would be useful. So I'm going to go back to my boss and tell him, hey, this is maybe some approach that we can take.
One of the talks I really enjoyed was Indiegogo. Caitlin on that team, they're really advanced in how they use data, and it's really interesting just to get the first-hand look at what they're doing and how they do it.
One of the great things about Join from last year and this year is that I've seen some of the people I saw last year, and we kept relationships, and we've emailed over the past year and can talk about some of the similar problems that we're facing and work through them together. That's pretty awesome. You should definitely come to Join.